Good morning, everybody. Here in New York, it's another snowy day. This has been Antarctica temperatures that we've had here lately. As you can see behind me, it is snowing again. It's been snowing regular for the last several months. Been snow on the ground, not let up. Been 16 below zero, warmed up to about 7 below, warmed up to about 7 degrees yesterday, and then it started snowing again today. Well, the thing I want to talk to you for just a moment about is seasons. I've been really getting a lot of insight on seasons here recently because I'm born around the beach in Florida. I spent most of my time in San Diego growing up around the beach, and now I find myself in wintry conditions up here working. And my natural inclination, I don't like it. It doesn't. It's beautiful to visit for me, but I just don't like the type of weather, the restrictions that the cold puts on you, the inconveniences. I know, wah, but I do have preferences, and I've spent most of my time elsewhere. I tend to believe some people are born with places inside of them that they're supposed to live, and I think that's why there's people that live in Antarctica and every other place, and they don't mind. They like it, Okay, great. Seasons. That's the issue. Because what I realize is when you're in a season like this, you get a genuine picture of what a season is. Number one, you can't change what's going on. It's happening. You have to work around it. The inconveniences, the things you would like to do but can't do because of the season, the extra issues that you have because of the season, the different wear and tear that it has on you naturally and on your stuff and on life in general. It's nothing you can do. You can be sick and tired of being utterly frozen every single day. It doesn't matter. You can prefer to not sleep with pajamas on or long pants on and a sweatshirt or whatever you sleep in, on, and it doesn't matter. It's still got to be the way you adapt to the season that you're in. Then I realize, as I listen to the people down south, having 2 inches of snow and closing down everything, and it makes the news, and it's just a phenomenal thing, I realize that, it's a state of mind. I'm looking around these guys up here. They got iced over roads. It's snowed every day for several months, as I mentioned. I mean, it's snowing now. As you can see, there's been snow on the ground. There'll continue to be snow on the ground. Nobody stops. Everybody continues. They just say, drive slower. Be careful. It's part of the season. Well, this is starting to set in. Take a while. Sometimes I'm hard-headed. No. But I'm realizing every season has restrictions. What can I do during this season? Obviously, the only thing that you can do is you can build interior things. You can clean interior things. You can work on interior things. So I realize why the winter is such a beautiful time, seasonally, to spend extra time learning, growing. Download an audiobook. Stretch your mind in an area that you haven't been looking into. Give some time to listening to some new CDs on a subject that you'd like to know more about. Find somebody that's exciting and listen to them. Download some podcast and listen to these podcasts and benefit from the information during this time. Make it a time where you spend a little bit of extra time around your house, looking how you would possibly like to rearrange it for spring and upcoming weather changes and for the summer that's coming up. Begin to plan now and set goals for what's coming up. Well, as you can see, snow's getting crazier around here and I'm going to have to go. But remember, winter, seasons of restriction, seasons of confinement, seasons that you can't do anything about. It's a state of mind. You can still drive. You can still get around. You can still make full use of this season. I want to encourage you to do that today, and no matter what happens, never, ever, ever give up. God bless you. It's Dr. Barry Cook, the Leader's Edge Training Central. See you later.